Hi, in this short video I want to show you how we built an Argentine-style barbecue from full-sized bricks.
The first step was the layout of the concrete slab for the barbecue island. Since it was a grassy area, we needed to excavate the soil deep enough to accommodate the concrete. We tied string lines to a few stakes and started the excavation. We used metal stakes and string lines for the elevation of our grade, then shoveled the dirt to wheelbarrows. After most of the dirt was gone, we started the layout for the concrete forms. We used 2x4s to hold our concrete and screwed them together to form a rectangular area. We wetted the soil and started mixing the concrete. Meanwhile, the concrete was mixed and dumped by wheelbarrows. The masons tightened the number 3 rebars for reinforcements. We created a square mash with overlapping rebars about every 10 inches. We used a 2x4 to screed the concrete to the top of our forms and smooth the top of our slab with a concrete trowel. The next day, when the concrete slab dried, we pulled a string line and started our first course of our brick wall. Started with our brick wall and worked ourselves out with the side walls. We raked out the mortar from the joint on the outside parts of the walls. Then we started the walls on the front of the barbecue island. We even had bricks with rounded edges for the corners. The owner purchased cast iron doors and a stainless steel drawer that we installed in the front walls of the barbecue. In the middle of the barbecue island, we installed 2 concrete black walls and poured concrete to create the floor for the Argentinian-style barbecue. After the concrete dried, we started installing the side walls of the grill. After the grill and the rest of the brick island were built, we installed the precast concrete pizza dome on the left corner of the brick island. We cut the top to accommodate the size of our brick chimney and wrapped the dome with fiber blankets for proper insulation. It is important to insulate the pizza oven in order to keep the temperature necessary for baking pizzas and breads. When the insulation blankets were up, we added a thick layer of stucco mortar to create a rustic look on the outside of the oven. When we finished the installation, we used a pressure cleaner to clean up the mortar from the floor and the walls. On the left side, we have the pizza oven and the built-in door. This is how the inside of the grill looks like, with the bricks with holes turned outward for the skews. We installed fire-resistant bricks in the firebox and rounded edge bricks on the top of the wall. Next to the grill, we built 2 walls for the smoker, and on the right side, we left out space for a burner. What do you think of the outcome?
And I just wanted to let you know that we manufacture all the stone and brick veneers that you might need for any Argentine barbecue. And if you live in the South Florida area, just give us a call and then we can give you a free price quote on building your Argentine style barbecue.